structure. Sulfur, double bond O, 4 bonding electrons, 6 total electrons, so 1 lone pair. This SO2 SO3 pathina 3 double bonded oxygens. So let us see the hybridization first. Here 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair, so sp2. Here SO3 la again sp2 ena 3 sigma bonds are there. This is number 1. Number 2, how many lone pairs? 1 lone pairs. Here 0 lone pairs. So let us see what happens. What are the repulsive forces in interaction? Repulsion between the lone pair on sulfur and the double bond. So here lone pair bond pair repulsion. Lone pair bond pair repulsions are here. Ana inge parunga, there is no lone pair on sulfur. There is only repulsion between the double bond of this oxygen and the other double bonds. So in the double bond in the double bond the repulsion. So here you have bond pair repulsions. Here on the lone pair bond pair repulsion. But according to VSEP theory, lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. So when the repulsion is more, what will happen? In the structure, because there is more repulsion, it will close down. Abde close aayidum. So bond angle of SO2 is less than SO3. Answer. Okay. Next answer on the next question. Compare the bond angle of carbon dioxide, carbonate ion and methane. So let us see the structure. First, carbon dioxide, C double bond O, no lone pairs. What is the hybridization? sp hybridization. And lone pair illadanaala bond angle is 180 degree. Confidently you can say. Perfect sp hybridization in carbon dioxide. What about carbonate ion? Carbonate ion pathina, it's actually a resonance structure. The hybridization is sp2. Okay. A structure, normal structure எப்படி இருக்கும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி இருக்கும். So 1 2 3 sp2. So this structure will be in resonance with another structure. So lot of resonance structures are possible, but this is the intermediate structure. Hybridization of carbon and carbonate is sp2. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா methane, as I told you already, CH4, sp3 hybridized carbon, perfect sp3 hybridization, 109 degrees, 25 minutes is the angle. So இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hybridization டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. இங்கே வந்து sp, இங்கே sp2, இங்கே sp3. So sp hybridization வந்து 180 degree bond angle. sp2 hybridization என்ன? sp hybridization க்கு 180 degree bond angle. sp2 hybridization க்கு what is the bond angle? 120 degree, because the shape is trigonal planar. sp3 க்கு 109 degree. So same answer. Carbon dioxide is more than carbonate, is more than methane. First rule வச்சே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம், because hybridization is different. You understand? There are no lone pairs in any of these, so we need not worry at all. First rule hybridization வச்சே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம், which is having the most bond angle. Okay.